Hi, today I'm going to give you an overview of the Solax Transformer, a great addition to the Solax range. The Solax Transformer is an automatic folding mobility scooter, perfect for travel and use in your local community. What really makes the Transformer stand out is the addition of rear suspension. This ensures a comfortable ride and provides more support for your back when used outdoors. Enjoy the convenience of pushing a button and watching your scooter fold up into a neat package, perfect for the boot of your car. The Transformer comes equipped with flip-up armrests for additional safety and comfort, as well as a multi-grip Delta handlebar, which allows for one-handed operation if required. The height and angle adjustable tiller will allow you to adjust to the most comfortable position. You can easily adjust your speed using the speed adjustment dial, conveniently located in the center of the dash, right next to your key and horn. I hope you enjoyed this overview of the Solax Transformer.